Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Live, and it's a gloriously sunny day. We're at Akoursos beach and we're about to walk down the seafront. For the first time in a little while. Well, the first time that I filmed anyway. I've already walked up it to get here. Because I tend to park my car by the harbour, walk up taking pictures for my regular article, and then film this way on the way back so that the sun isn't shining directly at the camera. Oh, it's a lovely day. Quite a few people about, but not too busy yet. Oh. I'll point the camera this way so I don't inadvertently film anyone changing. This is the tiny little municipal beach. The relaxing sand is actually very good as a place to launch yourself if you want to go snorkeling. Of course, you're very close to all the facilities. Here's the outdoor gym. And one of the moans that people had about it, well, the people who like to moan about things anyway, was that it would get too hot. And as it's quite sunny, I'll feel that, and whatever it's made of, it doesn't feel hot at all. But some people do like to moan. There's Pizza Hut, the Taste of Cyprus, Cafe Nero. It does amaze me how many coffee shops you'll get in Cyprus. In Choulou, in the last driving film I did through there, I commented on the amount of coffee shops. And see, but just below it, they're building another one. Currently someone's with the fish boy. I couldn't take a photograph on the way up either. Oh. They're walking away from it. Will it remain unmolested for me? Get up the staircase. Now, that's the area that they're still renovating. See my previous film for more information on that. Because in this film we're going straight down the seafront. And currently it's only 21.5 degrees centigrade, according to the little guide up there. So it's cooler than it was before the storms, which makes sense. Dust level's quite high. Or was that decibels? Actually, that was decibels. So that was actually decibels quite low. And the local football team says no to bullying, which is good to know. Sunday 21st of April is the Paphos Classic Harbour car show at the harbour. So Sunday 21st of April. There's a nice plug for it. Yep, so this time last year, this place looked a bit of a state itself. All the seafronts, well, most of them, I seem to remember the ones up this end were actually okay, most of them, and they weren't infringing on the planning permission. But all the other ones had to be removed, and the seafront itself became pedestrianised. All the bollards, etc., that ran up the driving area were removed. Looks like, are they coming away? Are they coming away? Yes, they are, but they're waiting to go there, so I'm not going to bother. Yeah, anyway, so basically it looked a bit of a state, but by the summertime it was all sorted and it looked as lovely, well, not as lovely as it does now, because all the flowers hadn't come into bloom. And remember, if you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it really does help YouTube promote us. And if you want to help us financially, then go to our paphoslife.com/coffee page, and you can either send us coffee or click on one of the affiliate links. And there are plenty of bins everywhere, because another, not a complaint, but another concern was that there wouldn't be, but there are loads of bins here, and they do get emptied on a regular basis. And if you want to see them get emptied for some bizarre reason, then get up at about 7:30 in the morning and come down here, because that's when the chap tends to do it. He might do it at later times in the day. I've certainly seen him doing it then. There's the wooden pub, getting ready for another day. And today's exchange rate, for people who ask, is 1.15. Seems to have been pretty much that for years now. And up there is Bithynia Seaview Apartments. Let's go and have a look at the seafront beach. Small yet beautifully formed. Now this here actually, I probably mentioned it earlier in the previous film, but I'll mention it again. There used to be a palm tree there, but it was dying basically, or diseased. And like all the other diseased ones that were along the seafront, they've been removed recently. And presumably, in the fullness of time, they'll get replaced with a spanking new palm tree. Mar Bianco and the factory shop, in case you want to buy a factory while you're on holiday. And you've got Captain's View Cafe Restaurant up here, Nelly and Opticians, which is where we go to get our eyes done. It's also where the Paphos Live's got one of his webcams stationed, giving you a nice look of the castle, so you can get an up-to-date view of weather conditions, which is quite important because weather's so changeable here compared to what the weather forecast will say, that it's always better off just having a quick peek on the webcams. I'll stick a link up for them actually, just in case you didn't know them. There's that funny little shopping plaza. Let's have a little wander in there actually, why not? I haven't been in here for a while. You could definitely do a bit of TLC in here. And not what's open at the moment, but there's a lot of scope for more retail outlets up top. Ooh, top level, so I didn't realise there's a step there. And down here could all be utilised. Man, it's got the potential to be lovely. And there were some interesting little gift shops here as well. Another favourite place for gift shops of mine is at the top end of the seafront. If you turn left down the newly renovated bit, the shops on the left there are nice and have a interesting range. And of course, which you'll see in our next film, when we go to the harbour, there's also the artisan market, which hopefully is still open. I'm not sure of the current opening times. There's the moorings. Recently did a Calimera picture of that, which was very popular. Lots of people like that. and say hello to these pigeons. I'm probably here wait because fishermen tend to feed them. Weird noises. I'm trying to see if the ice cream parlour we used to like is open again yet. There's some more of those rentable bikes over there. They're appearing everywhere. What I haven't seen is actually anyone on them. I see there was a similar thing for scooters, and I see them getting used occasionally, but no one seems to have done the bikes yet. Having said that, I haven't waited around for any length of time to keep an eye on them. There's the harbour restaurant. And in our next film, we'll walk down to the harbour itself. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.